Good afternoon. Welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today, to help me with my Navajo Word of the Day, I've got Paul LaRoche here, who is the leader of the band Brulé, and I'm glad he's willing to do this video with me. Since he's from the Lakota Nation, today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be Lakota Indians. So to say Lakota in Navajo, you say Naałání. Lakota Indians, and we're going to have you give it a try.
Okay, well, here goes. This is my first time at it, and so I hope I do it right. This is Lakota in Navajo, correct?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Naałání. Naałání.
Good job. Naałání. Perfect.
It's not the easiest one to get out if you're not used to it, but it's a beautiful word and it's a beautiful dialect.
And how do you say it when you're like native language? How do you say?
We just say Lakota, Lakota, and it's got a little bit of a guttural sound, but it's not Lakota. And a lot of English just ramble it off Lakota. We say Lakota.
Lakota.
A little bit of sound in that into it.
Okay, I'll try to say it more correctly now. Lakota. Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother.
Thank you for thinking about us.
And that's today's Navajo Word of the Day. Naałání. Lakota. Have a nice day.